Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that I know you'll find both tantalizing and perplexing: what to do with an extra $1,000. Imagine an unexpected windfall drops into your lap. Suddenly, the possibilities seem endless. But before you rush out to spend it, it's crucial to consider your options carefully. In this video, we'll explore insights from 5 financial advisors to help you decide the best way to use that extra cash. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about paying off high-interest debt. According to financial advisor John, the first priority with an extra $1,000 should be tackling any high-interest debt you might have. This includes credit card balances or personal loans that accrue interest at a rapid pace. By paying down these debts, you can significantly reduce your financial burden and save money on interest payments over time. Why is this important? High-interest debt can quickly spiral out of control, costing you more in the long run. Reducing debt improves your financial health and frees up future income for other purposes, like savings and investments. Is this strategy right for you? If you don't have high-interest debt, or if your existing repayment plans are manageable, you might want to consider other options for your $1,000. Building an emergency fund. Next, let's discuss the importance of building an emergency fund. Financial advisor Sarah suggests that allocating the extra $1,000 to bolster your emergency fund is a wise move. Ideally, your emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Why is this important? Life is unpredictable. An emergency fund provides a financial safety net for unexpected events like job loss, medical emergencies, or major car repairs. Having this cushion reduces the need to rely on credit cards or loans during tough times. Is this strategy right for you? If you already have a sufficient emergency fund, you might prioritize other financial goals. Consider your immediate financial needs before deciding to allocate the $1,000 to your emergency fund. Investing for the future. Now, let's talk about investing for the future. Financial advisor David recommends using the extra $1,000 to start or enhance your investment portfolio. This could include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or even retirement accounts. Why is this important? Investing allows your money to grow over time through compound interest and market appreciation. It's a powerful way to build long-term wealth and prepare for retirement. Is this strategy right for you? Investing carries inherent risks and may not be suitable for everyone, especially those with a short investment horizon or low risk tolerance. Assess your risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon before diving into investments. Saving for specific goals. Another great option is saving for specific goals. Financial advisor Emily emphasizes the importance of setting clear financial objectives and using the extra $1,000 to work towards them. This could be anything from saving for a down payment on a house, funding higher education, or planning for retirement. Why is this important? Having specific goals provides direction and motivation for managing your finances. It helps you focus your resources on achieving significant life milestones. Is this strategy right for you? Prioritize your goals based on their urgency and significance. If you have multiple goals, consider which one will benefit the most from the $1,000 windfall. Investing in personal development. Lastly, let's explore the idea of investing in personal development. Advisor Michael suggests using the $1,000 to further your education, acquire new skills, or obtain certifications that can enhance your career prospects. Why is this important? Investing in yourself can increase your earning potential and open up new career opportunities. It can lead to long-term financial stability and job satisfaction. Is this strategy right for you? Weigh the costs and benefits of personal development investments carefully. Consider whether the potential long-term benefits justify the immediate expenditure. Conclusion. So there you have it, 5 different strategies for making the most of an extra $1,000, straight from the insights of top financial advisors. Whether you decide to pay off debt, build an emergency fund, invest for the future, save for specific goals, or invest in personal development, the key is to make a decision that aligns with your financial goals and personal circumstances. Remember, financial advice is not one size fits all. It's essential to assess your own situation, goals, and priorities before making any decisions. If you're unsure, seeking personalized advice from a qualified financial professional can be incredibly beneficial. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. Leave a comment below on how you would spend an extra $1,000, we'd love to hear your thoughts. See you next time.